This is Roxanne with Mintage Capital Corporation. Today I'd like to talk to you about the difference between our service and traditional lending. Traditional lending likes to put you in a small little box, and we like to serve you to the best of our ability. Every client that we have has their own niche and has their own needs, and we work our best to meet those needs. With our national lending, their policies are very hard to support small businesses. They want to tie up your personal buying as well as your commercial buying together into one little package. That way they can control what you can and cannot buy. In our aspect, I think it's really important that commercial buying is separate from personal buying. Even as a new business, even if you have to go on as a co-lessee, it does not report to your personal bureau, therefore protecting you. And in the event that you do want to buy that home or you do want to buy that personal vehicle, this way it keeps your business purchases and assets separate, and it allows you the best write-off on your financial aspect as well as protects your personal buying.